You are heartily welcome to my LED TV repair channel. In this video, today I am going to teach you about how to fit the universal board in LCD TV. Here we go. First of all, we should remove out the 5 volts regulator from the universal shown as shown here. We should connect standby 5 volt to the coil of L21 from the power supply. We also need to connect ground connection on it. For inverter board, BL on-off and BL exhaust should be connected from universal to inverter board. Again, we should supply 12 volt in the universal board. Should connect 1 ohm resistor in the PS on from the standby. Then IR connection, lvds connection and speaker connection should be done. And after that the power of TV should be on. Then the TV will be on as it is on the red light flash. Then from the remote the display will be on, the red light changes into blue. Then the display appears, but also lvds mapping problem is seen here. This problem can be solved easily from the remote service options. Start the auto switch TV. Then the channel seems to be appear. To on the service options, we should click on the input. Then the digits 2, 5, 8 and 0 should be clicked. As it is clicked, the service options appears. Then we should go to the panel adjust. Then go to the T-map. Then 8-bit TI is equal to 1 will be changed into 8-bit TI is equal to 0. Like this, mapping problem can be solved. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to do like, comment and share to my channel. And remember to click the bell icon to subscribe this video. Thank you, namaste and remain updated with me and my channel.